In this video, I'll show you how you can fix that you cannot start Valorant. Now, first what you want to do is we want to come down here and then we want to search for Task Manager. In here, head over to Details, click on the name to sort by the name, and then you want to first press V and look if you have Valorant open. Don't mind the Vanguard one, just look if you have Valorant. If you have it, end the task, then press R and look for Write Client. If you have it, end the task on all of Write Client. So once you've done that, and then you want to press L and just check if League of Legends is open, and then you want to end that one. Now once we made sure that all of our Riot related stuff is closed, then what we want to do is we want to find our Valorant. You can either find it on the desktop or you can search for it down here. But what you want to do is you want to right click on it, Properties, Compatibility, and activate these two. Apply and OK. And then what you want to do is we want to do the exact same, but for the Valorant launcher. So we're going to find our Riot client and go to Open File Location. Then once we're in the Riot here, we want to press on Riot Games, choose Valorant, Live, Shooter Game, Binaries, Windows 32 or Windows 64, depends on what your PC is. And in here, you want to look for the Valorant Win64 or 32 shipping.exe, properties, compatibility, and do the exact same. Press apply and OK. Then try and restart your PC, and now it should work. Now, I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.